Happy Valentine's Day. What better way to spread love than making a homemade treat for all of your Valentines? And in my honest opinion, the homemade treat has to be chocolate. I mean, is there any other thing that you can give on Valentine's Day? No, at least not in my opinion. Let's get started making Chocolate-Marshmallow Linzer heart-shaped cookies, y'all. First things first, softened butter, powdered sugar, and we're gonna beat this until it's creamy and smooth. Once your butter and sugar are combined, you can add in vanilla extract and turn it just to stir it in. You really don't want to overmix this. Just until it's incorporated. Off. Now, flour. This is all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and some salt. Get your cutest whisk that is pink and red and heart-shaped, because why not? And whisk together your dry ingredients. In we go. Turn your mixer on low speed and gradually add in your dry mixture. Woo! Just when you see all of your ingredients starting to come together to form a cookie dough-like consistency, it is time to stop. Then we're gonna divide the dough in half so that we have 2 separate dough discs in the end to roll out. This is about half. And so, I have some plastic wrap. This is where I put my dough. And then what you're gonna do is take a big piece of plastic wrap and use the edges to kind of combine this together. Like this, and kind of folding it into itself. This is one of my favorite parts about making shortbread because it kind of reminds me of playing with Play-Doh like I did when I was little. And so if you're an adult that really wants to reminisce on their childhood, this recipe is perfect for you. Once you've got your first dough disc made, wrap it up really tightly in plastic wrap and you're going to chill it for 2 hours until it's set, and then you're ready to roll. They see me rolling. There are lots of rolling songs that are appropriate to sing while you're doing this. So when I'm rolling out any kind of dough, I like to keep turning it with my hand as I go. So I'll roll it out a little bit and then I'll turn it like a quarter turn. Roll it out some more, keep turning it. This helps you keep a circular shape to your dough, but it also helps you know that your dough is not sticking to the surface underneath. So if it turns, it's not gonna stick. So it's a good preventative measure to take whenever you are rolling out dough. And there we have it. Here's a baking sheet. We're going to cut out multiple heart shapes. It's a little confusing. It's gonna be okay. I'm here to show you. Okay, I'm gonna use a large heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out heart shapes in this dough. Then I'm gonna use a small one to cut out the centers out with this small heart. Now, the sad thing about this recipe is that you don't really need these small shaped hearts that you cut out. So if you wanted to, you could bake them and have little cookie snacks for kids. These are perfect. Once you have all of your cookies cut out and on your 2 baking sheets, you're going to bake them at 325 for about 9 to 11 minutes until they're just set. You really don't want these things to be super crisp. Just set in the centers and then take these things out. When your cookies are done baking, let them cool on the trays for 2 minutes. This is just to ensure that they set, and then you can transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes. This is the perfect time to get started on your filling, which is marshmallow cream tinted with some food coloring. One of the things I love most about this recipe is that you don't have to make a filling from scratch. A lot of Linzer cookie recipes actually call for you to make a homemade jam to put inside, but the great thing about this one, it is store-bought marshmallow cream, which is different than marshmallow fluff. Make sure it's the marshmallow cream, and then one of them you're gonna leave white, just like you get it out of the jar, and the other one you can tint with pink or red gel food coloring. A little goes a very long way in this application. Be sure to mix all of your food coloring in so you don't get streaks in the food coloring. Once you get one of your bowls of marshmallow cream dyed with the pink food coloring, you are ready to assemble these Linzer sandwich cookies. It is so easy, but to prevent a mess, here's what you do. Parchment paper on your surface, all of the sprinkles. And then using an offset spatula, take the cookies that do not have the heart cut out of the centers of them, and then you can choose pink or white, and just a tiny bit, maybe about a teaspoon or two. Spread it in the center of your cookie, and then take one of the cookies with the heart cut out and place it on top. So cute, so easy. You can leave the cookies just like this, or for some added sweetness and color, you can add sprinkles inside of the marshmallow filling to make them super cute. You can continue this with the rest of your cookies and save your tiny little hearts for snacking later. They're really cute also to add to your platter. Y'all, that's it. These cookies are super easy to assemble and they taste delicious. Chocolate and marshmallow, classic combo. What more could you ask for on Valentine's Day? If you want to see more super cute recipes like these cookies, be sure to follow Southern Living on our YouTube page. And as always, we are on Facebook and Instagram too. I will see y'all next week. Happy Valentine's Day.